Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. This is Jerry from BSK Garage. In today's video, I'm going to deal with removing the transmission cross member and the steps to go about doing that. However, I'm going to bypass the steps of removing the transfer case skid pan. We're going to go right to this, especially if you live in an area where there's a lot of rust. You're probably going to encounter a lot of issues, so let's get started. There's the transfer case and there's the cross member that I'm going to remove. Now the first thing I need to do is remove the 3 nuts that hold the transmission isolator mount in place. So you can see right here, I jacked up the front of the transfer case, and that's when I realized that there was a 3rd bolt. So there's 3 nuts that you have to remove that breaks the mount. And then, of course, on the cross member itself, there's 2 bolts from the gas tank skid pan, and then the 2 on each side that bolt to the frame that you need to remove. Only 1 bolt came out easy. The other ones were a complete struggle. As you can see, the extended ratchet is flexing there, trying to bust those bolts free. Starting to... Look at all the rust on that one. Look at that. Look at the threads. That's the last bolt. Here we go. Come on. Hey. Always remember to support the transmission by any means possible where it's going to be safe and not damage anything. So there it is. The cross member is out. The struggle I had is that they use a solid piece of tubing that goes through the cross member, and the bolts rust and they get stuck inside and jam up. And it's a good idea that if you do have to take this apart, you use some sort of anti-seize on it afterwards. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.